Exactly.
How do you influence an influencer? Kasi napansin nga natin sa buhay ninyo ni Dave is that hindi lang paisa-isa ang influencer ninyo yung mga leader, ang mga na mentor ninyo sa buhay.
We desire to work with most people. To us strategically, mas maganda if we work with influencers themselves.
Pumapayag ba mga influencer? Di ba mahirap ang influencer kasi feeling nila, influencer na ako, bakit pa ako i-influence?
Hindi, ang tunay na influencer, nakakaalam na kailangan nila ng tulong, na kailangan nila ng training. A good leader is a humble learner.
Kaya sila influencer, dahil sila. Dahil natututo sila.
So, lahat ng mga tao po na willing to learn with us are teachable. Very teachable.
Ano ang uniqueness ng isang Filipina woman? Because you've been abroad, you've lived abroad.
Yes.
Ano ang pagkakaiba? Anong distinction ng isang Pilipina na nakita niyo as a change agent?
Ang Pilipina, masarap makipag-usap, makipag-relate sa Pilipina kasi gusto niyang magkaroon ng relationships. In many Western societies, very much, yes. Ang paniniwala ko, Ans, is that what is key to a woman is relationships.
Okay.
What gives us a lot of hindi po. Kayo mga mama. Mama kayo. You get your significance more from what you do, your work, your success, feeling of success and impact in the world. I think ang mga babae, usually, their sense of fulfillment or happiness or joy come from being related well.
Paano yung mga bossing na babae na panay resulta? Parang wala na silang kailangan ng relasyon. I can be on my own.
Mga CEO, ang dami sa kanilang gifted na ganyan, mga CEOs. Pero alam mo, nagkaroon ng study, my husband was the one who told me this. There was a study among CEO women. Tinanong sila kung anong nagbibigay sa kanila ng mas maraming kaligayahan. Hindi yung success, kundi yung ang mga anak ko, ang asawa ko, ako ay okay. Ang relation, ang home situation pa rin po ang pinagagalingan ng kanila.
So, minsan mali rin ang basa namin. Mali rin ang basa na dahil nagtatagumpay siya, dahil busy siya, siguro dyan nakakuha lahat ng kaligayahan ng babae. Ito yung pala sa survey na nakita ninyo na kahit sila, importante pala sa kanila, mas importante sa kanila yung relasyon, yung pamilya.
Importante rin sa mga kababaihan na bosses na may success. Kaya nga sila nandun dahil maging successful sila. Pero kung ano yung sense of fulfillment, usually it revolves around their relationships with the primary people in their lives.
Anong partnership niyo ni Dave?
Dave and I...
How do you partner with your husband?
My husband...
you try to change him and he tries to change you.
We are hoping that we're changing by the synergy of our love for each other and love for God. It's really God who is giving us the desire to grow more and to love each other more. Even through 30 years na kami.
Hindi mo mahirap magturo. Mahirap turuan ng nagtuturo.
Ay, napakabait po ng asawa ko. Napaka-teachable at talagang humble ang asawa ko. Ako po yung proud.
Brainwash na po sila yan. Talagang balita ako, nag-usap sila ni Dave, yung asawa niya ng mga 2 oras kagabi para i-rehearse lahat ng
sobra. Hindi yun. I love partnering with my husband. We are both gifted with the same things: communication, teaching, love for influencing people, working with leaders so that they will influence. We work in a seminary which has about 21 countries represented all over Asia.
Hindi ba kayo napapagod to be a change agent? Kayo ba mismo, like for you, I mean, you mentor, you encourage,
I teach.
You teach many people, and a lot of people drink from you. Diba? You pour into them, but to pour into them, makes sure you pour out. Hindi ba napapagod? Pigang-piga ka ba paminsan-minsan? Diba?
Hindi, kasi I am just a receptacle of the love of God for them. Actually, hindi.
Receptacle? Di ba sa banyo yun?
Sinasalo ko po ang kanilang mga puso.
Ka lang.
Pero ako po ay, lang ako, channel lang ako ng pag-ibig ng Diyos para sa kanila. Wala naman akong pagbibigay sa kanila. Ako po ay takbuhan lang. Ang source of life and joy and fountain of living water ay hindi ako.
Pero nag-aaral ka.
Nag-aaral.
Sabi mo, your husband is a doctor.
Professor, yes.
Professor,
yes,
diba?
Yes.
So, pag sinabi mong ginagamit ka lang ng Panginoon, hindi po ibig sabihin na hindi ka magsasurvey, hindi ka mag-aaral, hindi ka magsasanay.
You're talking about being good to great. I cannot probably have a good impact on anybody if I do not study the word itself.
So you yourself, you say, daanan ka lang. So you receive also.
Oo naman.
Okay.
Yes.
Please ba, please. Parang nagmamakaawa ka. Please. Ganun. So you're desperate for being poured into as well.
I'm not desperate because I knew enough that I cannot do what I'm doing without the support of a community of people of the same vision and passion. So a woman's life is nurtured by being connected to her Creator, but also by being surrounded by women, even women friends, or people from her community that would understand and love her.
I'll be bringing in our second guest, and you'll be joining us. There's some questions coming in. We're going to have to answer this for her. Pero isang tanong ko lang, ano ang nakita mong pangangailangan ng kababaihan dito sa Pilipinas? What is one need there that you see over and over again that perhaps husbands like us, men like us have to realize?
Magsasound ako yatang very, hopefully I'm not too spiritual sounding, but I believe, ang kailangan ng kababaihan natin at hindi lang Pilipino, kundi lahat ng kababaihan all over the world, ang kanilang pangailangan ay mamahal sila. Always our question is, our question always is, a feminine soul always asks, am I loved and am I delighted in? Ang kayong mga lalaki, ang tanong mo parate, am I enough? Am I man enough to do what I need to do? A woman naman, ang desire namin, tanongin ako ba ay attractive? Ako ba ay loved? Ako ba ay cared for? Okay?
Paano kung hindi nasasagot yung tanong niya?
Hindi nga, kaya nga pupunta ka sa source na talagang minamahal ka. Ang paniniwala ko, personally, I'm sorry, but I really believe it is only God who can give you that through Jesus Christ. So, ang mga babaeng nakikita ko na nagkakaroon ng kaligayahan at deep joy, no? Hindi lang pansamantalang kaligayahan, kundi tunay na mananatiling kapayapaan sa buhay, connected sa kanyang.
So, umamin man sila o hindi, nakita mo na yan ang talagang tinatanong nila.
Yes.
They may use different languages, diba? They may say it indirectly, diba?
Tapos, ang answer ng problema, pag hindi puno tayo ng pag-ibig galing sa Diyos, na siya lang ang pwede magbigay ng kabuuan nun, pumupunta kami sa iba't ibang tao. Nagpupunta kami sa asawa, nagpupunta kami sa mga anak, nagpupunta kami sa trabaho, sa shopping, punta sa pagkain, refrigerator. If we feel so unattractive and unloved, we go to different things to fill that need.
Kawawa naman yung mga pinupuntahan ninyo.
Kawawa talaga.
Diba? Pag doon mo, diba? You feel me. Parang ganyan, diba? Ikaw ang sasagot ng tanong na ito. Diba? Ganon.
Yes, sir.
Han, magising ka naman. Puyot ka kay Solana, pero marami tayong matututunan dito.
Ikaw ang magsisi.
Ako pala dapat magsisi, ha? Okay, we're gonna go to a quick commercial break. When we come back, we're gonna bring in a person who has also involved herself with change in women. Lalo na in my wife's life. You know, in the past week, she was her midwife, and she has served in this country for many years. And the poorest of the poor in the field of childbirth. So, we'll be with her right after this break. Wag po kayong aalis dyan.